Take a moment to read the question. So normals to the parabola y square equals 4x are drawn at 2 points P and Q on it, and these normals intersect the parabola at the point 9, minus 6. We have to find the length PQ. How do we do this question? Well, the equation of the parabola is y squared equals 4x. So comparing this with y squared equals 4ax, we can say that the value of a must be equal to 1. Also, the equation of the normal can be written down in this form. Over here a is equal to 1, so we can write down the normal's equation like this. Now this normal passes through the point 9, minus 6. So plugging in, we find that we have a cubic in M. Now we can rearrange it and write it down like this. Now splitting the middle term, we can write down the cubic in this form. And now taking common factors, we can factor it like this. Now further, m squared minus 1 can be written as m minus 1 times m plus 1. So we can write it down like this. Taking m plus 1 common, we can write like this. So now we have this form. Now the quadratic m squared minus m minus 6 can be further factored, and we get 3 linear factors. Therefore, the 3 values of m are minus 1, plus 3 and minus 2. So these are the slopes of the 3 normals. The equation of the parabola is y squared equals 4x. So let us differentiate this. We get this, and therefore y dash is equal to 2 by y. Now this is the slope of the tangent at any given point. Therefore, the slope of the normal must be minus y by 2. Now we will compare this slope with each value of m and find out the corresponding values of x and y. So comparing it with minus 1, we find that y is equal to 2. So correspondingly x will be y squared by 4, which is equal to 1. So one point that we have found is 1, 2, and let's call this point as the point P. Now equating minus y by 2 to 3, we find that y is equal to minus 6. Therefore x is equal to 9. So that's our second point, which is already known to us, 9, minus 6. Now comparing minus y by 2 to minus 2, we find that y is equal to 4. That means x is equal to 4. So the point is 4, 4. So we have found our points P and Q. So P is 1, 2 and Q is 4, 4. Therefore the distance between them can be found using the distance formula, and that turns out to be root 13. So the correct answer is option A.